Coordinates.
Coordinates also you are used. That's why I'm asking
Sir,
you
except
people.
end of block, we use everything, sir.
End of block, you people are used everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good.
And
Okay.
heavily line sequencing number we use,
Which one?
like N01, N02.
That's what I'm saying. From this list, how many codes you have used? So you people saying so good. Apart from end of the block, okay, that means the job after the special that it will be coming to normal portion. So now you have used the sequencing numbers. Why? What is the use of these sequencing numbers? Yes. So you people said what is that N01, N001, right?
Sir, the program will read according to the sequence number, sir.
Sir,
Okay, the
used to
program.
identify blocks, sir.
Okay, good. Use it to identify the block.
Block.
Yes. Okay, so where you people are using this one at the starting of the program or what?
No, sir. After
Just in one line you tell me where it is used, then I'll go for next one. Yes, where we have used the N. Okay, one thing sequence number used for identifying the block. Okay. So can you tell me any code that
sir, voice is not clear,
there
sir.
could a code at least? How do people use that code?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Tell me that sequencing number N. So we are going to use N001 or N002. Okay, depending upon the codes, we are going to use to identify the block by using the N numbers. Then the second one is preparatory functions, G codes. So what is this? So you are much familiar with these words, right? Coding codes, G codes. Okay, tell me what is everyone is using G codes. So no need of asking whether you people are used or not used. Now you tell me what is the difference between these G codes and M codes? Yes.
Geometry code and miscellaneous code, sir.
Geometry code and miscellaneous code. Okay, what you are going to do in this? Where will be standard word? We are going to select as a preparatory course.
Sir, G codes are used for mentioning like dimensions,
Okay,
cutting off.
Okay, so
Positioning and movement, sir.
Miscellaneous functions are used for like a coolant function.
Okay. Only coolant.
All the machining functions M codes will be used, sir.
All machining functions M codes are used. Okay.
Spindles.
No, I'm asking M codes are used only for lubricant purpose.
Sir, spindle.
Spindle
Start
speed.
and-
Okay. Spindle start and stop. Okay. So here, so almost these G codes. So as you people said, we will be used for mentioning the operations, okay, and also position, speed, okay, all those things. It will be given a guidance with respect to this G codes itself. And if you go for M codes, so these M codes is used for the like spindle start, spindle stop, coolant on and off, okay, this type of, and also different types of in the different type of operations in the milling and turning operations, so that will be get used. Then next one is coordinates. What is this coordinates? X, Y, Z. Can we, are we going to use this X, Y, Z in the program?
Yes, sir.
So why it is used?
To identify the positions, to mention position.
To identify the position. Okay. Position of?
Both the
Initial
maxillary and
axillary points.
Okay. So we will be giving to define. So where exactly the tool with respect to model, with respect to the component. In you will give the values like X is having in X 100 mm and Y is having like 100 and also depth is like 5 mm or 10 mm. People will be giving. So from that coordinates you are going to define the what is the movement of the tool in X comma Y comma Z motions or in the directions. Okay. So in some cases it can be of a two axis, or in some case it may be two coordinates, or in case it may be of a three coordinates. We are going to define where the exact positions of the components, right? You are defining that only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angular.
So you take some examples like X is equal to 120. What is that 120? Or X is equal to 100, Y is equal to 100. You are going to give like that, right? Z is equal to some thickness. So we are going to describe the dimensions and the tool positions with respect to that the model where it has to be moved and it has to be cutted. Okay, so we are going to define the coordinates. Then what is F functions? Feed function. F. You are going to use some F is equal to some dimensions. What is that F?
Paid you have to give.
Yeah,
Sir,
feed.
feed rate, sir.
Huh? Feed rate.
Feed.
Yes, we are going to give the feed rate to that the machining operations. We are going to specify the feed rate by using the F codes. Okay, and from that the machine we are going to perform with respect according to that codes. Then what is spindle speed function or S word? Yes,
Mentioning in RPM.
fusioning in. What is
RPM.
this
speed
spindle
of the
speed?
spindle movement.
Speed of the spindle. Yes. Here we will be using one code. Okay, so that which will be defining the speed of the spindle in terms of RPM. Okay, in terms of RPM, we are going to define the spindle by giving the coding to that. Then it will be the machine will be performing the operation at the with respect to that code itself. Okay, next tool selection function. What is the tool selection function code?
Selecting tools from one operation to next operation, we can change the tool using tool function.
Yeah, right. So by using the tool selection function or a code, I can change the tools, like if I need a milling, or if I need a drilling, or if I need a lathe operations, drilling, boring. So depending upon that, I will be giving the codes. Okay, so then with respect to that, the selection of the tool will be carried out by the machine tool. Then the operation will be done. Okay, what are the required operation according to the codes you are given. Okay, so then the miscellaneous codes you already know. So it is used for the performing the some functions like spindle start, stop, coolant on and off, and that can be performed by this. Okay, and what is this end of the block? Okay, so this the starting the n sequence you have done, it is used to identify the block. then here it is going to end the instruction of that instructional block, so that we are going to call it as EOB. Okay, so you are not going to use that, just the tool will be coming to initial position according to the program you have written. Then you start to execute, then the operation will be complete. Starting of the tool and also the completion of the program, the tool will be coming back to its initial condition, then it will be, the program will be ended. Okay, so these are the different codes we are going to use in the NC machines, okay, or CNC machines. Okay, so from this set of the codes itself, it is going to take the instructions, then the operation of manufacturing operation, it will be get carried out. Okay, so next is, what is automation? Can anyone say what is automation? Sorry, what is automation? Yes, what is automation?
Without human help, process can be executed.
Without human help, the process can be executed. Okay, right. Any other answers? There are different answers are there for the automation. At least you search in the Google, man. What is this automation? I think in the sim also, what are the things you have studied from the previous semester? Computer integrated manufacturing, and also in mechatronics. Okay, and FPS. Okay, this word, and also in the elements of mechanical engineering, you got this word, automation. Yes.
It is a technology where the human input can be minimized.
It is a technology where human input can be minimized. Okay. Minimized. Yes, right. Minimized. Any other answers? Any other answers? So here, what all the thing, if you go with respect to different definitions and all, here the computers are to get the mass production. Okay, or in order to get the accuracy. Okay, then we need to, what are the accomplishment of human beings, or the implementing the human assistance. So we are not going to get the up to the mark or up to the target. Okay, so that can be taken action by this automation. So now, if I take the definition, automation is one of the technology by which the accomplishment of, or without the human assistance, or with some, not completely, or with some human assistance, we are going to carry out the manufacturing process. So that we are going to call it as automation. Yes, as people, so as I said, so here if I take a human beings, so the human beings are going to get replacing. So if you consider the previous manufacturing sectors, there will be laborious labors will be there in order to carry out the manufacturing. Okay, and also what all the things in order to perform any task, there n number of labors are required, or skilled operators are required. So and it was